Hey guys, it's Matt. I'm here at Universal Joint in Lawrenceville. Just got done hanging out with one of my best friends, Rob, and just so happy to see him. I'll show you a picture of him right now. And it's great to hang out with him and just catch up and see how the family's doing and reminisce on old times. But that's been one thing about this trip that I've really enjoyed, is getting to see all these old friends that we've all grown up a little bit. It's neat to see where everybody is at. So stay tuned and on to the next. Hey everybody, I'm here with Chris, and where are we going, Chris?
Going to Olive Garden in Snowville.
Olive Garden, which is a treat for this Bostonian because we don't have Olive Gardens in downtown Boston. So looking forward to the adventure and the delicious food. You're here at this place called The Diner. It looks really good. They have some phenomenal. Here we are. We are making our way back to the car after a delicious dinner at The Diner at Web Gen Road. Chris and them have gone over there to the Barnes & Nobles. I think we're going to take it back to the house and see how the puppy's doing. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's Matt. Alright, so I'm going to walk down to the Lawrenceville Square. I think they're doing some preemptive 4th of July stuff, which should be interesting. But just going to walk down there, take you with me, and we'll see what we can see. So, also, turn the camera around here, show you a house here along the way that I really want, but the person doesn't want to sell it. Called the Little Blue House, and you'll see here in just a second. As you can tell, we're heading down into a very old town square. So here's the Little Blue House that I want one day. We'll see if that happens, but super cute. And right downtown, in the downtown square area. Pretty neat little house, I like it. Probably very old. Probably very old. Alright, we're gonna head down here. Keep you posted. Stay tuned. Let's see some action. I'll let you know.
I prefer ophthalmic professional, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Been certified for 20 years. Damn it, I deserve.
You gotta send me some of this video.